In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your TikTok account to Restream, enabling you to broadcast your live content seamlessly across multiple platforms. Connecting these two powerful tools can greatly enhance your reach and engagement. So let's dive into the process step by step. Start by logging into your Restream account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account first. However, assuming you're already a user, head over to www.restream.io and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Restream dashboard. It's a central hub from which you'll manage all your streaming activities. Next, look for the Channels section. This is where you can view, manage, and add all the platforms you're currently streaming to or plan to stream to in the future. The interface is user-friendly, but if you're new, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout to ensure a smoother experience. Within the Channels section, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Add Channel. This feature is designed to let you expand your streaming capabilities by integrating additional platforms. Upon clicking Add Channel, you'll be presented with a list of available platforms. What you want to do here is select the TikTok Live option. This specific option is tailored for those who want to include TikTok as part of their streaming suite, allowing you to engage with TikTok's vast and diverse audience. After you've selected TikTok Live, you'll be guided through a series of prompts that facilitate logging into your TikTok account. It'll feel a bit familiar, akin to logging into any account. Ensure you have your TikTok credentials handy to breeze through this part. Along the way, you'll also be asked to authorize Restream. This authorization permits Restream to connect with TikTok, ensuring a secure and efficient link between the platforms. Restream takes privacy and security seriously, so you can authorize without any worries. Once you've successfully logged in and authorized the connection, you'll notice that TikTok has now appeared in your channels list within Restream. This confirmation means that TikTok is ready to be used as one of your streaming destinations. From this point onwards, whenever you start a stream in Restream, you'll have the option to broadcast your content directly to TikTok Live, alongside any other platforms you've connected. Congratulations! You've now connected TikTok to your Restream account. With this setup, you can now reach and interact with your TikTok followers in real time, all while managing your stream from a single interface. Experiment with different streaming options, keep engaging with your audience, and most importantly, have fun with your live broadcasts across multiple platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!